Hi chefs, welcome back to ClosKitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing well and are staying safe. Today I will be reviewing these MorningStar quarter-pound meat lovers vegan burgers. These burgers are plant-based with 27 grams of protein. There is no GMO, no soy, no artificial flavors or color.
Tell me what you felt, cause it feels like it's over now. There's just too much pressure.
As far as the cooking, they can be cooked in a skillet, they can be microwaved, or they can also be grilled. It comes in a resealable package so that you can store the second burger. I wanted to grill my burgers, but I decided not to, so I'm going to bake them in the oven. I'm placing them in a baking dish. These are some big burgers. Look at the size of this burger. And the thickness is just like a real meat burger.
Tell me what you felt.
So I'm going to bake these for about 8 to 10 minutes on 375. I also wanted to show you guys the regular MorningStar vegan burgers that comes 4 in a pack. I'm placing them on a baking sheet and I'm going to broil these at 350 for about 6 to 7 minutes. As you can see, they are much thinner than the quarter pounder. They are about half of the size of the quarter pounder. This blows my mind how these burgers are so similar to a regular burger. The color, the shape, like that's unbelievable. So guys, I'll be back to show you guys what they look like straight out of the oven and what they taste like. My burgers are done broiling and baking. These are the regular burgers and they have not shrunk. The burgers did produce their own oil, which helped the burgers to not stick to the pan. To make my hamburger, I use my quarter pounder, placed it in between a brioche bun, drizzled it with my favorite condiments, added some lettuce, and a few slices of fresh tomatoes. My first thoughts after biting into my burger is that the texture is different, but as far as the taste, it tastes amazing. I could taste the basil and the different seasonings that they have put into this burger. So my final thoughts, honestly speaking, I had my doubts about this veggie burger because I did try the bean one, but this one is really good. I will definitely try a few more of these. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever tried veggie burgers. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.